The Homdox 2150 PSI electric power washer provides a powerful cleaning performance, boasting a 13 ampere 1700 watt motor that generates an impressive 3.9 gallons per minute of water flow, enabling it to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks effectively. This washer is highly versatile in its cleaning capability, suitable for homes, buildings, recreational vehicles, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, or lawn equipment. And with a 20 feet hose and 36 feet cord length, it can reach different cleaning areas regardless of the distance. It features an energy-saving total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, not only saving energy, but also prolonging the pump's life, making it more efficient and durable. Designed for convenience, the Homdox Power Washer is equipped with 2 wheels for easy mobility and a 17 fluid ounces detergent bottle to ensure optimal use of suds, preventing wastage and providing a more efficient and user-friendly cleaning experience. Customer assurance and support are key aspects of the Homdox brand, offering 12 months coverage for the pressure washer and 24-hour customer assistance, allowing the customer to purchase with confidence. With a review score of 4.3 and a competitive price of $115.99, the Homdox 2150 PSI electric power washer is a reliable and cost-effective choice for all your cleaning needs.